For this video today, I drew some inspiration from this other bass YouTuber I found called Slap Cop. That's Cop with a K. After you watch this, go check it out. He has a couple videos on his channel where he does this like back and forth slap bass lesson call and response thing. I thought they were pretty cool. So I figured I'd try my hand at making my own version. His are more like rock metal oriented. So I thought it'd be neat to take the same idea and put like a funk spin on it. So I wrote this little funk bass ditty. The riff I made is only slaps. It's not too tricky. The thing to focus on is the timing, getting those precise 16th notes. If you haven't watched my dotted eighth 16th lesson or my rhythm toolkit lesson, go watch those videos and get an understanding of those rhythms if you struggle with this. Because you really got to have those timings precise to get this groove to happen. Let me know if you like this style of video, this whole like call and response play along thing. I think people are gonna like it. We'll see. If it gets a lot of views and likes and comments and subscribers, I'll make more. I'm gonna do it twice. First, I'll do it at just the full tempo. If you're struggling with that, after the full tempo one, I'm gonna slow it down. 100 BPM is the full tempo, and then I'll do like, I don't know, 80. We'll see, 76. I haven't decided yet. If you're struggling with the full tempo, I'll put in the timestamps. You can skip ahead to the slow version. Once you get that down, go back to the fast, bounce back and forth. Just practice it on your own. Tabs are on the screen. It's gonna be epic. Let's do this.